Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the monthly pound dollar, I still think this move up is going to be a trend. It looks to me like a 1, 2, 3. And if this is a trend, I think it's actually going to keep on going up, taking out this high and probably making a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's keep that in mind while we head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can start to see the higher highs, higher lows that make up what I think is a wave 1. You can see the little three-way pattern down to the Fibonacci level for the wave 2. And I believe that this is all going to just keep on going up, eventually making a wave 3, 4, and wave 5. Most likely taking this high out and looking something like this. Now, that doesn't mean there's not going to be some bigger pullbacks on the way up, but I still think it's just going to keep on making higher highs and higher lows. Going down to the daily, I think this is the end of a wave 1. I believe this is an ABC of 2. That definitely looks to be like the end of a crescent. You'll notice that it keeps making higher lows, and we just recently had another higher low. Definitely still in an uptrend. Definitely still no reason to think this uptrend is over. It may have some resistance at one of these Fibonacci extension levels, but even if it does, I think it's just going to keep on trending up. All part of a big wave 3 like I was showing on the longer time frames. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, we had some pound news this morning, which gave the pound a little bit of extra strength. It is starting to pull back a little, but I do think this is the end of a crescent. It looks to me like a 1, 2, and we're still in a wave 3. So maybe we will make like a 4 and a 5 and then bounce off one of these fib levels. But even if it does bounce off a fib level, I think it's just going to be another crescent, and it's going to be another continuation of the uptrend, telling me that I'm just going to continue to look for any long entries, especially on the shorter time frames at the end of any of these ABC pullbacks that I may see. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this looks to be like a 1. This definitely looks like an ABC, most likely a 2. And it looks like we're in a wave 3 right now, which I definitely don't even see any reason to think the 3 is over. I think it's actually more likely to just make another higher low, and just keep on trending up, probably at least to one of these higher Fibonacci levels before we even see the end of this wave 3 from the trend that started down here. 1, 2, and 3 that we're currently in right now. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.